and today I am going to Universal. Let me see if Power Phone Princess wants to join. Hello, Power Phone Princess. Wakey, wakey. It's morning, wake up. Wakey, wakey, please. Today we're going to Universal. We're going to your favorite ride, Woody Woodpecker.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah! And this wakey, 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 wakey. We're gonna get on my favorite ride.
At Universal. So you can go in Woody Woodpecker. Let me see. E.T. Men in Black, The Simpsons, Despicable Me. Alright. Let's go.
Goes on and on and on and on and boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now. Boom, clap, sound in my heart. The beat goes on and on and on and on and boom, clap, you make me feel good. Come on to me now.
Is this ride scary?
No.
Not scary? It's fast? Is this your favorite?
Yeah.
I feel your love. Boom, clap, sound in my heart. The beat goes on and on and on and on.
Oh my goodness, I don't think we have to wait. That's moving the dummy. Oh my god. Go.
At this time, please put away all cell phones and cameras. At this time, please put away all cell phones and cameras.
It's really dark in there.
Really?
And we have to take E.T. to his home.
That's right. Let's do it.
Yeah.